Hey everyone, welcome back to Crazy Tech Tricks. In this video, I will show you an easy way to automatically close unused browser tabs so your browser stays clean and fast. So let's get started. Firstly, open your browser, visit Chrome Web Store. Here you will install the extension Auto Closer. You will search, click on Add to Chrome, add extension. Now suppose we will opening some tabs for demonstration. Now go to Auto Closer, click on Options. Here you will type the website, like I want to copy the URL and paste it to there. Here you will set auto close time, like so this time I will suppose to 1 second for demonstration purpose. Here you will see it will be saved. Now add important sites to be whitelist, like I am visiting this site. Whenever I left this site, it will be closed successfully. You will see. That's it. Now your browser will stay clean automatically and your PC will feel faster. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel and comment if you want more useful browser tricks. Thanks for watching.